Alright guys, a short little update video. I wanted to show y'all some of our babies that have hatched. We've got some cute ones for sure. They're all fluffy and little. Now, I wanted to show you, I don't know if he's going to cooperate, that guy right there, that one. Now he's not a chicken, that's a guinea. We didn't hatch those. I bought that one from TSC. So, he wasn't actually one of the ones that we hatched. I actually bought that one. But anyway, I just wanted to give y'all a little bit of an update on some of the babies. They are so cute. They are getting big, eating lots of food. I took their feeder out because I cleaned their pen just a minute ago. So they're scratching at the shavings and stuff because those are fresh. I just put them in there. So they're curious and checking it out. But they are so cute, guys. And look, one of my favorite things, let me show you. It's like a little cotton ball. But look, let me show you his feet. Look at his feet. I don't know if you can see, it's not focusing very well. But his little feet have feathers on them. They're fluffy. They're cute. Alright. Well, I will see y'all later, guys. I miss y'all. Love y'all. Talk to you later. Bye. So here they are with their food back in there. You can see them. They really like hanging out around the feeder. Watch them for a minute. See a few of them eating. I'll be back several more times so we can kind of watch them grow. Some of them are even kind of starting to get some of their other feathers in. So I'll keep doing updates as they grow their adult feathers and get bigger, so y'all can see what they look like as they grow. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later. Here's all the babies in their new home. So those two that are running around like crazy right there, those are guineas. And that really big one back there, and then this one right here, those two are turkeys. And the rest are chickens.